Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying essential prerequisites. Make sure Edge is updated and you're signed into the correct profile. Once done, open Settings and enable the Advanced UI or Developer toggles so extra panels appear. Now, pin or enable the Edge UI extension and restart the browser to load the new controls. Make sure your common extensions are temporarily disabled if they interfere. This gets you into the interface quickly and ensures the first interactive elements are available for the next steps. You now configure the core panels and behaviors. First, open the Layout Editor and pick a mode: Sidebar for persistent tools, Toolbar for compact access, or Overlay for temporary widgets. Then adjust density and icon sizes so the UI matches your screen and workflow. Save that as a named layout for consistency. Next, assign quick actions and keyboard mappings. This reduces mouse travel. If a panel feels sluggish, toggle hardware acceleration and reload the layout. These steps lock in the detailed execution. You finish by validating and baking in your setup. Run 3 representative tasks to confirm panels, shortcuts, and visuals behave as expected. Make small tweaks and save each iteration. Export your layout and settings to a backup file so you can recover quickly or replicate the setup on another device. If something goes wrong, reset the layout, disable conflicting extensions, and reapply the backup. This fixes most issues. If the problem persists, restart Edge and re-import the saved configuration to restore a working UI.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.